Alright, here I am.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Beware.
Get those billows pumping!
Five, four, three, two, one. Beware.
Die, scum!
Sorry, that's as far away as I could get it.
Beware. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out!
Bomb bag's down.
Beware.
Yeah, that one, it was a hard to click one. It was inside the guy.
Thanks for blowing me up, whoever that was.
Get him up.
Beware. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Our regulator's done.
And we only need one more bomb on our side.
Destruction!
Oh god. Wish you guys would have waited.
Oh, my bad.
Beware.
The Fury has broken free! Quick, get it under control! Warlord, we have it under control!
I need rebuffs, please.
Beware.
Just dead. Aiming.
Can you Fox, please?
Beware.
Bomb right there.
Watch out for that rupture.
Shit, my bad.
Beware.
Drinking.
Get ready, everybody needs to switch.
Out!
There it is.
Beware. Beware.
God damn it.
5% off, guys. Out!
Beware.
If there is, there shouldn't be any AoE going out during the elemental.
Beware. Beware.
Still fire caller up. Don't come back with that X.
He has a bomb.
Beware.
Burn it.
Beware.
How, Trank?
Little behind, guys. Pick it up.
Good job.
Down.
Finish fire calls.
Beware.
Bring it over to the next guy.
You ready?
Beware.
Now, go.
Little behind. Bear.
I can't interrupt for 7.
Go. Burn.
Drinking.
Is free.
Clean up
Clean up
fire
the
call.
Fire call.
Lord, we
Full out security guard.
Sorry, I dropped that a little closer than I thought.
Skull guys, get the security guard down.
Cow, Trank, whenever you want.
Elemental's about to die, careful.
Like elemental blow up. Cow, Trank.
Use those second potions, guys. Come on, burn. Move them.
Taunting in 3, 2.
With melt and melee.
Move, move, move.
Beware.
Cow, Trank, when you can. Clive Payne's up.
Fox is up, by the way. Whenever you guys need.
Beware. Beware.
I have amp. Just call for it when you
Pop it, pop it.
Personals on these blasts.
Beware.
Taunting in
melt, watch
3,
out.
2, 1.
Beware.
Execute him, Tomac. Execute him.
Beware.
So,
Step.
We good.
Guys, we did it.
I just need one more of these embers from this guy, and we'll be able to just do Black Hand.
Talk about some bullshit loot. What the hell is this?
That's a lot of axes.
I got 2 axes and and
Where am I, guys?
fucking crap. Only 4 pieces of loot. Fuck this game. And the axes aren't even getting put up for bid.